Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to show total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, we actually immediately entered the digital well-being, and here we can check some graphs which will show us for how long we've been using a particular app. For example, we've been using the settings for 10 minutes, phone for 3 minutes, and camera for 1 minute. We can also tap on it and you will be able to check, for example, the weekly usage. You've got also the notifications received and how many times you've unlocked your device. Here you've got also the goals, we've got the screen time and app timer, so you can set it. Your device will notify you that this time is ending, and you will be able to turn it off. You've got also the ways to disconnect, so you've got some focuses mode, for example, work time, me time, and so on and so on, the bedtime also. So it means that your device will limit the notifications in that time. So actually this is it. This is how to check the total screen time in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.